Auf Yoilish Terrace ist gewesen ein längerer Schmiss über Live Monitoring. Man darf angeben auf Galuf, muss keiner kommen zu leidige Plätze oder zu viele Plätze. Mit Ruschem und andere. Harav Yosef Finn Pratt Institut hat mir erweitert zu Huma Schmiss wegen US Virtual Guard. Oh, du seht aus wie sie ein Logo. Das hat man eine Sache mit dem Mann, das ist eine gewaltige Company. Lass mal ein bisschen hören von der Gevre allein. Okay, Shalom Aleichem. Aleichem Shalom. Nice to see you. But the one person I know is Mordche. Mordche? What's this do?
He's in his own
What's going on with this guy?
He's doing, I don't know what's going on. Maybe you can tap, you can get his attention.
Let's try. I would close the lights, but this wouldn't help with this phone. Aha!
Yoilish, was ist das du?
Scheine sagt, macht ein bisschen wissentlich für mich. Ich habe gemeint, du bist etwas sekret, du bist aufgeregt. Was ist das, was du?
Oh, ich muss mich entschuldigen für dich. Ich bin gewähnt am Phone, ich habe sehr wichtige Sachen, du WhatsApp, du Telegram, so Sachen.
Das ist Yoilish Terrace.
Ja, aber ich meine, das hat der Mann von etwas, nein?
Absolutely. Finn? Wahrscheinlich ist mit der Company?
Wahrscheinlich mit der Company.
Wenn ich sehe, Police, was geben Achtung.
Police, was geben Achtung. Ein regular Guard, was steht beim School, beim Camp. Kijkt er aan zijn phone en watcht is de camera. US Virtual Guard, ooit die bestel zei, gaan ze de watchen de camera. En wegen dem haben wir do Rabbi Yossi, was gaat mas bezaan, was de gelijk voor was ik geteen de laatste 10 seconds, met was US Virtual Guard het.
Beautiful. No. Hello, Rabbi.
Yoilish, it's nice to see you.
First, thank you for inviting me here.
A großen Dank auf Kimmen. Ich habe gesagt, die ganze Discussion of the chats and Oilem Red, and I appreciate erstens the alle customers from US Virtual Guard, so when reingeschickt messages, to acknowledge the work that we're doing for them, we really appreciate it. And for all the viewers who shared feedback and sent messages, it was beautiful, beautiful. Verstehe ich Yiddish, and we got to that in English, okay? So the question is, you're asking, what makes us special? A few things. Number one, we built an all in-house team. This means there's no staffing companies, there's no people overseas with brokerages and people working in other people's offices. What makes us unique is that all of our employees are under one roof with access control to the place. In order to come in, they're not allowed to bring in their cell phones, for example. A big distraction to work, like you saw over there.
You're not looking there.
They're not allowed to bring in their cell phone. They take polygraphs regularly for security, because we do also other security, not just to watch for gnevas of tools and equipment and things like that. We also watch for things that are pikuach nefesh, things that are alive. So there's no games. They can't bring in their cell phones. Every hour they take a break to refreshen up. And most important, we built a technology that allows us to efficiently and effectively monitor live cameras. It's a system that no one else in the world has. It's a system that doesn't exist currently. It allows us to bring in all the existing camera connections and camera footages from existing camera systems, for us to watch it in a way that we set up a wall in a way that's interactive with the person watching it, so that he's always fully alert and fully focused on what he's looking at. So that's really Bekitzer, the US Virtual Guard difference.
Beautiful. Now let's get to Daniel. Hello.
Hello.
And you're the director of operations.
Yes.
So what is your biggest challenge in this field?
Biggest challenge is explaining to the customers when they see our price and they see how is it possible. They think maybe you're not doing the same service, you're doing something different. What they don't understand is that our operation is set up all under one roof. We do not use a disconnected group of remote workers in multiple countries that maybe work for other people at the daytime or the nighttime. Every single one of our employees is full-time in our own space. Explaining this to customers, and that's why there's this cost-effective pricing model that we have. And the other issue that people really are starting to catch on to is that we have this proprietary software that we built from the ground up. And at the end of the day, this software enables us to have this low-cost model.
Beautiful. So, Rabbi Yosef, you are here to spur Yiddish Geld. Is that why you're here?
100%.
How?
An owner came to us.
Usually, a company that is better than others is more money, right?
So people,
more expensive.
Exactly. So that's one of our biggest challenges. He was telling you, it's like a state that people don't understand. So an owner came to us a week ago. They have a bunch of office buildings. Office buildings require a lot of staff. Staff equals payroll, right? They're spending millions of dollars a year paying security staff across their locations. They made a cheshbon that with us, we could do remote guarding for them to watch all the cameras in the building without sleeping, without missing anything, without looking at the phone. We could watch their cameras. They could just leave on a guard per shift, and they're going to save over $2 million of Yiddish guilt every single year. This is one customer, Yoilish. One customer.
One customer, $2
They're going to save $2 million a year. Okay? I think someone sent me yesterday the mice in Lakewood. They robbed $4 million at Schoide. That's an example of hitting Yiddish to save Yiddish guilt, right?
That's an amazing story. But
camps. 10 months. Who's watching camps? Who's watching bungalows for 10 months? Right?
Squatters, losing equipment.
Squatters, you get stuck, you lose equipment. Construction sites, they break in. It's liability. You know, people think they steal the tools. That's not the problem. The biggest problem is the liability. Someone breaks in there and gets hurt. Someone breaks in there, the DOB shows up. There's so many things. So we're here to save Yiddish guilt.
Beautiful.
Now Madcha is the man. You got to talk to Madcha to make it happen.
Madcha is are you serious? He's not ignoring me. Okay, that's good.
So to wrap it up, hast a construction site, a warehouse, a camp, a summer house, a bungalow colony, 917-914-0865. Call me now. We will protect your property.
Call, WhatsApp, text.
Beautiful. Let me ask you something about I see on top of Chicago. Are you doing business in Chicago also?
In all of the United States.
Beautiful. Madcha, thank you so much. The number again, 917?
917-914-0865. Call me, text me, WhatsApp me. Now we will protect your property.
Beautiful. USVirtualGuard.com.